Block dividers are a great way that you can bring some separation to the different sections on your page. This is a very easy to apply feature within Brizy. This is done at block level. So with your block in front of you, go to the settings and then select the settings, styling, and you will notice in the sidebar at the bottom, you have the divider section over here. You can apply a divider at the top and or at the bottom. With the top selected, you go to type and you will see you have quite a number to choose from here. You can scroll down or grab the little handle on the right and go through all the different types available. Standard ones start at the top, and as I cycle through them, you get an idea of what a block divider is all about. And I think what you are aiming for is a transition from the previous block into the new block. As you can see, this one has got a white background. This black here is very disruptive. So the idea is to make the divider flow seamlessly into the previous block. To do that, we select the color below the divider and we put it on white. And immediately you see the kind of effect that we have achieved here. Below this, you have control over the size in terms of height of the divider, give you this kind of effect. And you can also flip it. Currently, this sharp arrow is here on the right. And if I click on flip, it's going to be on the left. The last feature you will almost never use is where this divider is positioned. If I increase the height of the divider, you will see it goes behind all of this. If I click bring it to the front, it's going to cut it out. So you can achieve a cut out effect even for the content that is on top of the block. Let's just bring it down a little bit more manageable and then see how it will work at the bottom. Select bottom next and you will see the top bottom divider remains. And now you can do the same for the bottom. This time I'll grab this one, put it on this teal color so that it can go together with the slider. And that's more or less the idea behind dividers.